How do you search for life on other planets? One way that scientists search for life is by looking for what's called a biosignature. A biosignature is something that can be traced to a particular biological origin. For example, a gas that can only be produced by living organisms would be a perfect biosignature. An article published in Nature Astronomy in September 2020 has indicated that a research team at Cardiff University in Wales has detected the presence of phosphine gas in Venus's atmosphere, and this article is creating quite a stir. On Earth, phosphine is produced either by human industrial processes or by natural microbial processes of anaerobic microorganisms. Both of these things require life. Now, phosphine has been found elsewhere in the solar system, but only in the atmospheres of giant planets. The cause of phosphine on these larger planets is understood. It is produced in deep atmospheric layers at very high temperatures and pressures. But Venus is a rocky planet, and phosphine would be destroyed quickly in its crust and atmosphere. Thus, phosphine meets most criteria for a potential biosignature gas, although its presence could instead be evidence of a process that is yet unknown to us. So does it make plausible sense for there to be life on Venus? Well, our closest planetary neighbor has not traditionally been considered to have an environment suitable for sustaining life. The planet's atmosphere is largely carbon dioxide gas and exerts a pressure of over 90 times that of Earth at its surface. Surface temperatures average more than 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough to melt lead. However, a cloud layer in Venus's atmosphere is thought to reach temperatures in the low 80s and have an atmospheric pressure similar to that on Earth at ground level. Many scientists have hypothesized that this cloud layer could in fact be habitable. So to sum up this story, there is an area in Venus's atmosphere that we think could reasonably sustain some form of life, but we have never before detected indications of that life. With the detection of phosphine, maybe, just maybe, we have a potential indicator of life out there. One thing we do know is that this warrants further investigation, and scientists and research organizations worldwide are rapidly responding to the call to more closely study Venus in light of these new findings. If you liked this video, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. And for more information on COSI, Columbus, Ohio's Center of Science and Industry, visit cosi.org.